Welcome to Jen's Kitchen, where we're bringing families together one recipe at a time. In today's video, I'm going to be making grilled pork chops. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks! We are going to begin by marinating our pork chops. In goes apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, and enough water to submerge the pork chops. Add our spices. Put in the fridge for at least an hour. Now to throw them on the grill. Add some finishing spice. Cook for 8 minutes on each side. While they are cooking, splash on some lemon juice. If you like my video, make sure to click one of these links, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And leave a comment to let me know how it turned out. Thanks!